Hi guys, it's me Carly. So today I'm going to be showing you my dogs, Lily and Oscar. Lily, what do you have on your face? Okay, I guess it's a little fuzz. That's okay. So here's Oscar. This is Oski. Say hi. Oh, bad lighting, bad lighting. Oski, come over here. Here's your little face. Then there's Lily. Yay, the little face, Lily. She's about to look at the camera. So today, I don't know what to do today. I have no clue. Like, I could play slime. Where's my camera thing? Like, I can flip this like that, but where's my camera thing? Okay, there it is. Okay, there we go, guys. Sideways. Back to sideways. Sorry if this was upwards. Now it's sideways. So, okay. I'm actually gonna like flip this over, but first I'm gonna. Oh. Okay. Alright, guys, so here's me. It's a little bad. I'm trying to look at the camera right here. Got some slime. Look, you can even slide it nicely. Like the container. Oh, happy Martin Luther King Jr. 2018. It's not coming out. Okay, so here it is. I guess it did not come out as well. Bringing a poke it. Like today, I just wanted to play slime so bad. Like, it's just really crunchy. Oh. Like, it doesn't have foam balls, but it has sand in it, and the sand makes it really crunchy. So I'm gonna put it back in its container. I made this at Allison's house. Thank you, Allison, for letting me make this at your house, because I thank you so much. Like, oh, and that reminds me, thank you, Allison, thanks for subscribing to my channel. And also, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, which means click the bell and give this video a thumbs up in 5 seconds. Can you do it? Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. If you can do that, comment down below your favorite kind of dog. And if you don't know, just comment down below. Cutest dog. Puppies ever, or dogs ever, or cutest, like say cutest Shih Tzus ever, or say cutest golden retrievers ever. Like, just pick your favorite kind of dog. But I was about to say bye. So today, what did you even licking? I heard my dog licking. Did you hear me talking? He just started snoring to try to talk to them too. You silly muffin. Okay, so today I'm going to show you all my squishies, and I'm going to try to make it awesome. So the first squishy I'm going to start it with is my poop squishy. So let's get it. Alright, there it is. So basically, this is not my favorite squishy, but it's one of my favorites. I got my best favorite. It's one of my favorites, but it's not my favorite squishy of all. I'll show that one, but this one's really squishy. Oh my goodness. It's a poop squishy. Ooh, look at that. It's a poop squishy. So, there's one. I basically have 19 squishies, but I think I've lost one. Maybe. So this is one squishy. Oh, so after this, I got a weight squishy. This is the number 2 squishy. So you can see it's squishy. Then, this is actually the first squishy I got. My dogs chewed it up, but that's okay. So this is my third squishy. Here's my fourth squishy. Like, okay. It's, like, this is bad lighting. Okay, that's better. So, next, like I'm in my pajamas so you can see. Don't worry, I do not, I have some shorts under this. So, next squishy is, ooh, look at that. It's donut squishy. So that's my 5th squishy. Okay, that's a little too much lighting. So this is my 5th squishy here. I'll show you. Then it comes back up. So here's mine. Oh my goodness, my 6th squishy. I think this is one of my seconds because I opened this one first. So it's my 2nd one I opened. Ooh, guess what? I got my 3rd one that I opened there's my 3rd. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Like, so hang on. So we've got 6 down. This one's 1. This one's 2. This one's 3. This one's 4. This one's 5. This one's 6. And this one's 7. I'll prove that this one's like an actual squishy. Ooh, look at that. So no more to go. So this is my 8th squishy. Oh, it's so nice. This is from my Nina. Yeah, for a second I thought it was... Okay, for a second I thought I was gonna say a different word. But here it is. It's like a little, it used to have a straw, but now it doesn't. So, bummer. Here's my 9th squishy. Going quick. 9th squishy. Here's my 9th squishy. Oh, does it go like that? Like, what? Okay, here's my 9th. Wait. I think this is my 10th one. Yeah, this is my 9th squishy. Here is my 10th squishy. I got this one in my stocking for Christmas this year. No, last year. Because it was 2017. It's 2018 right now. I think, yeah, maybe. So this one's my 10th. Ooh, my goodness. Here's my 11th squishy. Here it is. Cool. Now, going quick. Here's my 12th. There you are, 12. So here's my 12th squishy. Okay, so that's my 12th squishy. Here's my 13th. Oh my gosh. Okay. I guess this one's partners with the first one. So this is my 13th squishy. Here's my 14th squishy. Like, I call this the pink boo boo. I don't know why I just call it that. Okay, so that's my 14th. I used to have 14, but that's actually I'm gonna have 15. Right here is 15, as you can see. What? Okay. Oh no. So this is my 16th squishy. Look at that. Here's my 17th squishy. Here's my 18th squishy. Look at that. And here's my favorite squishy of all, my 19th squishy. This is my favorite one. I can't stop kissing. So those are all my squishies. Now, Look at this Rubik's Cube. Like I could use. Look at that. I already almost tried to solve it. It didn't work, so I'm still solve it. So let's go. Actually. Now it's moving on to my dog. So let's turn the camera around. Look at them. They're just resting. Oscar, Millie, are you guys resting? Oscar, can you look at the camera? Here, Oscar. Look at him. He's so tired. Hey, Oscar. Hang on. Oscar! Man, where's my dog? Here he is. Here he goes. Yeah. There's Lily. Look at you. You're just a sweet pie. So I'm going to zoom that out. Okay, so there's Lily and there's Oscar. Hey, focus. Look at him. Okay, so basically I'm going to really hunt maybe downstairs meat. Why is this? Like, guys, the volume keeps turning down. Like, how? Oh, it just turned down again. Sorry, guys, about this. Okay, so I'm going this way. As you can see, I'm in the mirror. Hi. Okay, so we're going to go this way. Guys want freedom? Come on, freedom time. Oh, we go this way. Whoa, this is open. Nothing in there. Oh, it's cold. Whew. I swear, I heard noises in here. Like, I heard noises in here once. And one time I had to sleep with Ella, and this door is completely shut. But say somebody like opened it like this, it was like that in the morning. But there's nothing there. There's Lily. And look, there's even, like, you can't even fit under the bed. There's no way nobody can fit under this bed. Like, look, you can barely, the camera can't even get down there. Like, there's nothing down there. But I'm actually not going to use the craning wheel. But there's, somebody can hide behind here. But there's nobody there. I always checked. And on the back, it's just, removed. And this was for the guest bedroom. Okay. Just said bedroom because it's a bed and it's a room. It's a bedroom. So let's go. Oh, that's so creepy. Wait, we should hide. Come here. Come on. So this is one of the creepy spots. So she's just following me. Me and Nitch, keep itching. She's gonna follow me. Like in there. Whoa. Oh my gosh. 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 Guys, like you did not hear that. You did not hear what I hear. It sounded like this. Guys, it literally sounded like this. That's so creepy. We're going in there. Oh my gosh. What was that noise? Is that in the closet? Oh my gosh. Guys, should have. There's nothing there. Oh, we're going back in. Okay, that's really creepy. Nothing in that closet, but there's something. Oh, I got you. Good. Damn. There's nothing in here. I feel like this is clear. Oh my gosh, stop barking. Come on, Lily. She's literally I'm just going back in my room. Come in. You gonna come? Yay! There's my baby. I love having my dog Lily. Like, I'm not going in there, guys. I'm not. I just can't. And there is so creepy. My gosh, it's so creepy. There's actually like something in there, and I have no clue what it is. Like talking, slow motion. You know what? I'm just gonna play some slime. Okay, let's move this Rubik's Cube. There's all my squishies. Ooh, it's slidey. Like, look. Whoa, that flashlight's moving. Look. That's so creepy. What is going on? Like, what is going on? Hi, guys. Like, what is going on here? Like, I have no clue. I have no clue, guys. I'm just gonna end the video here. This is part 1 of scary stuff. So, like, I'll go look in part 2. There's only 2 parts. I'm gonna look in part 2 in that closet. So, bye. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and click the bell by subscribe. Bye.